In order to apply the grip pad onto your platen surface, you'll first want to clean it off with soapy water and a towel. Once that's complete, flip over your grip pad and peel away the first section of protective liner. Next, carefully line up your grip pad onto the platen surface and center it out on the top portion of the platen. When ready, smooth out the exposed surface onto the platen. Next, peel away the middle section of protective liner and smooth the exposed area onto the platen. Finally, peel away the last section of protective liner and complete your application process. To load a garment, thread the garment onto the quick load hanger platen, pull it all the way to the end so the hanger aligns your shirt. Next, pull from the shoulder seams and the grip pad will smooth the shirt and allow it to be ready to print.